The $1 million crypto tax mistake. What are the 2025 laws and how do they impact you? But first, smash the like and subscribe because I got more on crypto. Let's dive in and find out. Did you know 1 in 3 crypto traders get audited, and 90% have no idea this 2025 tax law could empty their wallets? But don't panic. Yet. If you own crypto, this video is your survival guide. Taxes are coming, and they're scarier than a Bitcoin crash. Let's fix that. Most people think crypto's tax-free, until they're trading meme coins for ramen. You buy a NFT llama, the IRS wants its cut. You stake dollar Doge, they're watching. And in 2025, new laws mean one typo equals fines bigger than your gas fees. Here's the deal. Sell crypto, that's capital gains, swap coins, taxable, even airdrops count. Countries like Portugal tax 0%, but good luck moving there. The biggest change? All transactions go to the IRS. Even DeFi. Forget to report? You'll owe more than a private island. But here's the hack. Track every trade, hire a crypto CPA, and never miss deadlines. So, report trades, save records, and don't let the taxman take your crypto treasure. Stay rich, folks. Smash that like button before the IRS smashes you. Subscribe or risk missing next week's video, How I Hid Crypto in My Cat's Litter Box. Comment your crypto horror stories, or I'll send you my spreadsheets.